Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachman, and today I'll be walking you through the all-new 2018 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. You see this vessel has rally red hull sides and is powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury Verado 4-stroke outboard. This engine is extremely quiet and refined and is the perfect match for this hull. Looking at the swim platform, you can see Sea Ray integrated a walkthrough to easily access the other side, and we have a water sports tow post. Very large rear sun lounge with flip-up backrest. Entering the vessel, you'll notice the wide entrance. Storage under all the seats with a cooler integrated under the starboard side seat. And igloo cooler integrated under the rear seat. Captain's chairs for both the passenger and captain. Moving to the dash, full instrumentation and Rockford Fosgate stereo, all marine grade components. Head under the port side dash, and moving forward, you'll see the bow area that's very nicely bolstered for comfort, either forward facing or rear facing seating. If you'd like more information on this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachland. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give me a call or stop by the showroom if you'd like to find out more about the vessel, see it in person, or go for a demo. Thank you very much and have a good day.